how to recover Brawl Stars account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you recover Brawl Stars account. So let's get started. On this process, you can as usual check for the account recovery on your browser. So on the Chrome browser, after you type for Brawl account support, you will be easily get this site from your end. On this contacting support site, if you have forgotten your Brawl account password, you can manually open your games on your device, and after you open the games, you'll have to just open the settings, and from the settings you'll have to just select the help and support from there, and after you select the help and support, you will get a blue message bubble at the top right corner of the screen. So simply you have to go the option contact us, and from the contact us section you'll have to just provide the relevance data and configuration to confirm that you are the owner of that account. So for that you'll have to just provide your player id, player tag, your account name and your account label, although you can also provide your transaction id and name of your clan and clubs. And after you provide all of this credential or details to your Brawl Stars support, you'll be able to easily recover the your Brawl's account from the Brawl Stars support. So after a few couple of hours or day, you can easily recover your Brawl Star account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.